what the city is already committed to doing in its own buildings. The lion's share of getting there, this deep energy retrofits in existing buildings across the city, and the low carbon intensity grid. Without those two things combined together, we have a huge gap to get through. We have a huge gap to meet that 80 by 50 goal. Regardless of whether we meet the clean grid goal, from a greenhouse gas emissions perspective, doing these sorts of deep energy retrofits, which are comprehensive, include the building envelope, include improving that heating system, get GHG savings.
I like to say that REV has been the best commercial for utilities. Distributed system platform is explicitly set up to integrate any distributed energy resources, whatever that may be. Batteries, smarter appliances, demand response, solar, wind, etc., cogen. We've got $85 million in our last rate case for this, so I colored everything green because this is real money. This is not just our intentions, we're spending the money. Every utility is starting at a different place. So at Con Ed, we certainly like to think that we're further ahead of the curve.
Our biggest challenge is penetrating buildings. A long-term outage on fiber is considered 4 to 6 hours. A long-term outage on copper can be weeks or months. In New York City, we've got about 1 million copper lines that we're going to move. We expect that to take about 5 years.
In this scenario where we were very inefficient with our systems, we have a very large energy savings to the tune of 60% less power to do the same job that the central plant was doing before. Start the whole process of building out 45 Rock, which is our global headquarters for Tishman Speyer, with an 11,000 ton-hour thermal storage system that includes some high-efficiency chillers, new control systems.
I mean, what I like about this group is so many different perspectives.
With REV in the air and with Con Edison thinking about how do they be an honest market maker at the distribution level as the DSP, they are becoming more empathetic to our concerns. And I'll tell you, building a captive utility on the west side of Manhattan, I'm becoming more empathetic to their concerns. I would say that interaction with Con Edison, there's a lot to be gained by actually getting to understand their concerns and working back and forth with them.